My beloved self in Arfam, I bless you. Today it is 29th of November 2021. On this very, very great day, I would like to introduce the entire global community who are interested to have a global peace and harmony that I am going to form. Right now I have formed that organization, international organization called Global Community for Peace, GCP. It is an organization which would like to overtake the United Nations organization. The United Nations organization is a pseudo-democratic organization which is almost held by world powers like United States of America, Russia, Germany, France and all. I think Japan also there in it. I do not know whether China is in there or not. So this organization with around 130 countries is providing pseudo peace and harmony. They don't actually do anything positively for the peace and harmony. For example, in the Iraq-Iran war, there was nothing done by the UNO. And finally, Iraq was overpowered by US, United States. UNO did not do anything against it. And then Afghanistan was now taken over by Taliban from the hands of US. So this is how the international community is being suppressed by these weapon-wise rich countries. So our objective is to really have a global community for peace. The global community for peace should provide that the global community is given peace. The entire globe should be one and only one. There should be 100% democracy in global polity. This is our objective. And our very important aim is to eradicate the imaginary national boundaries drawn by the politicians all over the globe. We are here to eradicate the international boundaries and see that the entire globe does not have any boundary for any man. Recently, today I found that a new virus or a modified form of the previous virus, coronavirus, has been said as the reason, Omicron something, that is said as the reason to close the international boundaries for certain African countries, around 7 African countries, starting from Botswana, like that. So this is highly unwelcome. These leaders, global leaders, they unnecessarily pose a pseudo theory of virus and all, and they eradicate the political enemies and see that they continue in power. Further, they use the imaginary viral infection and all as a reason, and they try to shun the boundaries, and the people within their boundaries, they want to totally rule autocratically. This is what has been done in the past 2 years, from 2019 onwards, from COVID-19 onwards. This type of autocratic leadership of the present global leaders should be eradicated. For that, I request the entire international community for peace, right from American people, English people, they are more inclined towards democracy. Therefore, I ask them to join my party. It is an international party, Global Community for Peace. GCP is the party's name. Our aim is to eradicate the international boundaries and make the people, humanity one, which is working for their own welfare and also for the welfare of the entire globe, including the animals and plants. This is our aim. I invite all of you to join me and support my hand. I would be the president of that GCP. I am the founder president of the GCP. And my friend Wilbaves Senavi, who is now in Ireland, who is actually from Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan, he is a Sri Lankan, but now he is settled in Ireland. He is my deputy, he is my next only to me. We two are the first two people to found this Global Community for Peace, to eradicate the international boundaries and to shun the global autocratic leaders and make the globe really a true democratic place to live peacefully, happily, and harmoniously. Shiv Om, please welcome to join. I welcome you all to join Global Peace for Community, Global Community for Peace. Shiv Om.